Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy items on Temu, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the platform and make purchases with ease. Temu is an e-commerce website that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. To start shopping on Temu, you need to create an account. Go to the Temu website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address to complete the registration process. Once you have created your account, you can start browsing the website for products. Use the search bar to find specific items or browse through the various categories. Read product descriptions, check prices, and look at product reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. When you find a product you want to buy, click on it to view more details. Check the product specifications, pricing, and shipping information. If you are satisfied with the product, click the Add to Cart button to proceed to the next step. In your cart, you can review the items you have selected, update quantities, or remove items if needed. Apply any discount codes or coupons you may have to reduce the price. To proceed to checkout, click the Checkout button. You will be asked to log into your account if you are not already logged in. Fill in your shipping address, select a payment method, and review your order summary. Temu accepts various payment methods including credit cards, PayPal, and other online payment options. Select your preferred payment method and enter the required payment information. After completing the payment process, you will receive an order confirmation email with details of your purchase. You can track the status of your order by logging into your account and viewing your order history. To ensure a smooth shopping experience on Temu, make sure to read product reviews, check the seller's ratings, and understand the return and refund policies. If you encounter any issues with your order, contact Temu customer service for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily buy items on Temu and enjoy a convenient online shopping experience. Remember to always prioritize your account security and be cautious when making online transactions. With Temu, you can shop with confidence and find great deals on a wide range of products.